everyone and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be about the skincare I recently bought and also about some makeup that I recently bought. I just got into skincare, so I've never really had any skincare routine before, so that's why I basically bought an entire skincare routine from scratch. And before I start showing you the skincare products, I am going to go a little bit into my skincare history, I guess you could say. So I've never actually really done any skincare prior to this because I never thought that it would work, and I just had a few pimples and I honestly thought that they were hormonal. Turns out they're not, but a little bit more on that later. And I always just thought that skincare is something for older people to get rid of wrinkles, and that it doesn't really actually work or do anything, and that it's also really expensive and almost pointless. But it turns out that none of that is really true. And how it changed my perception was because I watched a lot of videos on YouTube about skincare. They were all talking about the brand The Ordinary, and they said that the products are really clean and they really work and they're really cheap. And when I heard that word cheap, I was like, oh, I have to check them out. And also I started to look at a lot of videos of people who use The Ordinary and who actually managed to clear up their skin. So that is the reason why I got into skincare in the first place. Let's just say I got a lot of The Ordinary products because I basically got every single thing that people recommended for spots. But yeah, let's get into me showing you the actual products that I bought. We're going to start with The Ordinary. I'm going to start with two products that literally every single channel recommended for spots. It is the Niacinamide 10% and the Zinc 1%. Everyone has this. And then the Salicylic acid 2% mask. People don't really recommend this mask. It's just the salicylic acid 2%. The salicylic acid has been sold out, and I've actually checked, it's been sold out since November because they're working on a new formula. That's the reason why I had to get this mask. They do say this is not recommended for sensitive skin, and I do have sensitive skin. When I use it, I get really red skin afterwards and my skin burns, especially when I leave it on for longer than 5 minutes. It's usually fine when I leave it on for 5 minutes and my skin calms down within half an hour, and I know that is really not the best thing. I'm definitely gonna use up this mask. That's the thing I don't like about it. I've used this 4 times now and this is pretty much gone, so I think I'll get around like 6, maybe 7 uses out of this. I am a little bit disappointed with this, and I might do some research if any other brand has salicylic acid, or if any of you can recommend me anything, that would be amazing. Moving on to this product, I actually think this does really good for my skin. Everyone recommends this, everyone loves this, and I have been using it every single day for 2 weeks, so I think I've literally used all of these products for 2 weeks now, and I see a massive difference. And I can't really pinpoint it to a singular product. I think for me it's mostly just doing my skincare at all. And then there's also one product which I will show you in a second that has really helped me. So I think this definitely helped me as well, but as I said, I can't really pinpoint what exact product did the difference. I'm pretty happy with this and I'll definitely buy this again. I'm just gonna jump to a different brand for a second, just because I mentioned that one product has really changed my skin, and it is this cleanser. It's the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It's for normal to dry skin, and I love this. I love this so much. It's actually amazing, and I know they have a cleanser for oily skin as well, but my skin is very dry, so that's why I thought I'd buy this. It is actually quite moisturising, I'd say. So I bought this a little bit later than all of the other products, so that's why I can really say that I saw a difference when using this, because I had a different cleanser before from Simple and that was fine, but with this one, within the next day, all my pimples like really cleared up and all my redness, and I just feel like it gets into all of my pores and it's just really nice and leaves my skin feeling really fresh. I can definitely say I saw a huge difference after using this product, and it's also relatively cheap. I can't remember how much I paid for this, I think around £10. There's so much in it because you literally just need the tiniest amount. I think this will last me a couple of months, I think maybe even half a year or something. Moving on, I bought 2 more things from The Ordinary, and one of them is the AHH 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. People recommended this to get rid of spots and redness as well, and I think of scarring as well. And I thought I would buy this because it's an exfoliator and I didn't really have an exfoliator. I guess this mask is an exfoliator as well. So what I do is, because these 2 are exfoliators and you can't use them in the same day and you're only supposed to use them once or twice a week, so what I do is I use this one twice a week and I put the mask on twice a week, and then I have 3 days where I don't use any. I haven't really actually found anything that I can use every single day. So I have the same problem with this as I have with the mask, because my skin is sensitive. I just get really red and my skin burns, and that's the reason why I only put this on for around 4 to 5 minutes. It says do not exceed 10 minutes, so I definitely recommend if you have sensitive skin, don't leave it on for 10 minutes or so. So far it's been alright afterwards. My skin was definitely still a little bit red, but nothing like it was the first time I used it. But I do think it does make a difference in my skin in terms of getting rid of spots and just clearing my skin overall. So then the last thing I bought is Buffet, and I actually bought this because it's an all-rounder. I think people recommended this for anti-aging as well, and I think for vitamin C as well, and people say you need vitamin C in your skincare. So that's why I bought this, and I thought why not also prevent aging as well at the same time if I'm already doing a skincare routine. And I think out of The Ordinary products, I definitely recommend these 2 products. I've actually used a lot of this because I use them every night and every morning. So the only thing I will say is with Buffet, I can't use it with these 2, so whenever I put these 2 on at night, I don't use Buffet, and that's pretty much what I do with my skincare. But I think I want to film a skincare routine once I've used my skincare for a little bit longer. If you're interested, do let me know. And then I've also bought a toner, because people do say that you need a toner in your skincare. I'm honestly not too sure what the toner does. I just got the Simple toner because it's really cheap and really good, and honestly the Simple brand, if you don't want to spend any money on your skincare, look at the Simple brand and look at The Ordinary. I think this was £3.50 or something. Their products are amazing because there's nothing in there. It's all fragrance free, it's all alcohol free. I think, well, this is alcohol free and fragrance free. The Ordinary and Simple is cruelty free. I do look for that as well. I find it quite important that products are cruelty free. So far I've been really enjoying this. I do go through it quite quickly, I'd say, because I think I only started using this around a week ago. I don't know if there are toners out there that are better than this, but I'm pretty happy with this, especially for the price. So then moving on to one of the last products I got for my skincare. It's these reusable makeup wipes, or skincare wipes, I guess. It came in this bag, and there are 10 of the white makeup wipes and 10 of the black ones, and I was really looking to get the black ones so that I can remove my mascara and my makeup without really getting the white too dirty, and then the white ones I use for my skincare. But because we are in lockdown and I haven't actually really done my makeup, I've been using the black ones as well. I only have to wash them every 10 days, and I feel like that has been doing really well for my skin as well, because I'm not using the same towel over and over again, and I'm also not using disposable wipes or anything that needs to be disposed of. It is a lot better for the environment. I honestly think it's worth getting these because I think the environment is so important. So yeah, that's why I use these, and I've been really happy with them. And then the last product I got, which actually has not arrived yet, and I only placed the order around 3 days ago, it's sunscreen. I don't remember the name of the brand, so I'll pop it on the screen. This one ended up being £10, which I honestly find a little bit expensive, but sunscreen in general is really expensive. For me, it was also important that it is cruelty free. I can't say much on that product yet, obviously, because I haven't got it. The only thing I will say is that I honestly thought, oh, I'll just apply sunscreen whenever I go outside and it's not really necessary when I'm inside. But I've actually done some research into it now, and you are meant to wear it every single day. Even when you're inside, the sun radiation that makes you age quicker can actually go onto your skin and into your skin even when you're inside. So to prevent premature aging or to extend the aging process, it's really important that you wear sunscreen every single day. You're supposed to sort of start when you're around my age. Honestly, it blew my mind that you can do so much with skincare. Moving on to the makeup that I got, I've been trying to get into cruelty-free makeup, and I ran out of my foundation and my mascara caused my eyes to burn. The mascara that I got was cruelty free and it was from an all natural brand, and I looked into the ingredients list and the first or second ingredient was alcohol. So I thought, no wonder, what am I putting on my eyes here? So that's the reason why my eyes burned, and that's also the reason why I got a new mascara. And I looked into that ingredients list and there's actually no alcohol in this product, and it's this mascara. And I know it's really expensive, I splurged a little bit on it, but it was really important for me that it is cruelty free. I'm also very particular about my lashes. I want them to look really long. I have it on right now and I must say I do like it. It's way better than my old one, especially because it doesn't make my eyes water. In that regard, I'm really happy about it. But I used to have the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and that's obviously not cruelty free at all, and the Maybelline Lash Sensational make my eyelashes so long, so that's what I'm sort of looking for, and this does not do the same job. I must say the Maybelline Lash Sensational was a little bit better in just holding my curl, but I do like it. I just don't know if I would recommend it for the price. The next mascara I'm going to buy is the Lilo mascara. I don't know what it's called. I'm definitely going to try it out once this is empty. I'm actually going to open this up so that you can see the tube. This is honestly such pretty packaging. I do love beautiful packaging. Also, I had a little read after I bought this mascara, and I heard that Too Faced is actually cruelty free, but their mother company, I'm not sure what it's called, is not. So I don't know if I'll be buying from there again. I'll have to see what my options are. And then because my foundation ran out, I got a new foundation, and I had a look into what foundations are cruelty free. When I did the research, it said that the Nars foundations are cruelty free, but after I got this, I did some more research and it actually said that Nars as a brand is not cruelty free anymore. I think it used to be. So I am a bit annoyed that I got this product and I didn't know about it before, so I don't think I'll be buying from Nars again. The foundation I got is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. This was honestly really hard to do in lockdown, to buy a foundation. I got this because I used to have the other foundation and I had the same shade. It's a little bit orange toned, but I do have it on right now and it is fine. A better match is the next foundation that I got, and it is the E.L.F foundation, and I got it in the shade Pearl, and this is cruelty free. And yeah, E.L.F as a brand I think is completely cruelty free, so I'm really happy about this, and it's way cheaper as well. If you get a foundation, I definitely recommend the E.L.F foundation. What I will say though is that the finish is not as nice as the Nars foundation. It dries me out a lot. It's really not that great for my dry skin, and it sort of gives me wrinkles around my eyes, and it doesn't really go into like the laugh lines, I think they are called. But honestly, this shade matches me better than the Nars shade, so I would say I'm really happy with this, especially because it's cheap, it's cruelty free. So that was all the products I got. I hope you enjoyed this haul. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day. I hope you're all doing well in lockdown. And also, thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I'm so thankful and so happy. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you soon with another video. Goodbye!